Hello everyone, I am Dr. Geetanjali. I am a pediatric ophthalmologist working in Prabha Clinic, Bangalore. This video has been made to create awareness among caregivers and provide tips for safe usage of screens in children.
Due to the current COVID-19 pandemic, the whole world is under multiple lockdowns and unlocks. Stay home and stay safe has become a new mantra. Our kids are getting affected in multiple ways. Schools have been shifted to the safety of our homes. Online classes are the new norm. Televisions, cell phones, and computers are the prime source of play and fun. The screen time overload keeps the kids captivated and is a cause of concern among caregivers. From the literature, we have screen time guidelines based on age recommended by American Academy of Pediatrics. Children less than 2 years should be avoided screens except for video chats. For children less than 5 years, 1 hour screen time is advisable under parental supervision. Digital devices have their own benefits. They provide information in engaging ways, forms a communication tool, and expose them to new ideas. On the other hand, we have undesirable aftermath of excessive screen time. The temporary effects on the eye include digital eye strain and ocular muscle imbalance. The usual symptoms are dry eyes, itchy eyes, blurry vision, double vision, and headache. The permanent effect is increased incidence and progression of short-sightedness, also known as myopia. According to a study, 50% of the world's population is predicted to become myopic by 2050. The systemic effects are obesity, altered sleep pattern, reduced fine motor skills necessary for writing, reduced communication skills, and eye contact. The psychoneurological effects are developmental delays and attention deficit hyperactivity like disorders. Do we have a solution for this? Yes. Balance is the key word. Let us look at the safety tips. Teach them to follow the 20-20-20 rule. That is, every 20 minutes, look at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Set a timer to remind the child to do the same. Attending online classes are better on larger screens than on small screens. Casting online classes on television for younger kids is better. Poor posture can cause muscle tightness, headaches, and eye strain. Maintaining a good posture is essential. Screen should be slightly lower than eye level. Feet should be well rested on the ground or on stool. Back should be well rested to the chair. Elbow, hips, and knee should be at 90 to 100 degree angle. Neck should be nearly straight with minimal bending. Encourage frequent blinking. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Avoid using screens in brightly lit areas which can cause glare and strain. Brightness and contrast has to be adjusted at a comfortable level. Regular visit to the ophthalmologist and appropriate spectacle wear in children with refractive error is a must. Engage children at least an hour or more in outdoor physical activities wherever feasible, that is in terrace or garden. Engage them in playing board games, arts and crafts, cooking, gardening, physical exercises, etc. Use parental controls to monitor the screen time and media content and the apps that are used by the children. For younger children, viewing the screen together with parents help them in understanding the contents better. When using earphones and headphones, ensure the volume is low. Headphones must fit properly as the tight-fitting headphones can cause headache. Earphone tips should be cleaned regularly to avoid infections. Have realistic screen usage goals after discussing with the kids. Make sure other caregivers like grandparents or babysitters, they are also aware of these goals. Finally, avoid pacifying kids with screens. Thank you.